All right, you guys here. My next Mugen tutorial. Yes, I do make Mugen tutorials. Yeah, so lots of them. And, continuing on with that, for all of my awesome Mugen characters, I'm going to try to show off the least expensive expensive and most efficient way possible to make them, at least to me. But basically, here's the deal. Okay, last episode I talked about how you get sounds from the characters. And sounds, you basically can get sounds, little sound clips, then make them with Audacity into WAV files. Because WAV files are the only files that work with Mugen for the character sounds. So you got those. Okay, WAV files. You basically make them. Record them from some place, from wherever you need to record them from. Then you cut them up, into the little sound bites you need. You know, and then I tried to show you applying the sound files, replacing the ones from the character I'm sprite swapping with permission. But it didn't work. So I'm going to try that now. Wait. It's doing it, right? Good. Yeah. So I'm going to go to sound. Well, Fire Factory. Oh, yeah, crap. Wait. Before I do that, I got to open a recent. That's Gretel. Grown Gretel, actually. Yeah, I think I'll change her name to Grown Gretel because I'm gonna make an actual, a regular aged Gretel. Yeah, because I got her sound. Okay, so now here's the sound part of Fighter Factory, and what you need to do is you need to go to the change part here. All right. So first of all we gotta see what sound this is. So we click on it. Okay. So we can change that. Open nothing. No. What's this? Change. No, we gotta go to wait, or is it add? No, no. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. No, it has to be changed. It has to be changed, right? We're changing them. Oh no, I want to see Audacity. I gotta go to Audacity so I can see all of them. Gretel Sound 1. We're gonna go Gretel Sound. Grown Gretel. We're at Grown Gretel. Now, we also need to open up a file. Go to Audacity. And outside of that, go to Grown Gretel and check out all the sounds with Windows Media Player. Grown Gretel Sound. What is that? Effects, no. Grown Gretel Sound 1. Click. Okay, so that's it. That's it. We need that sound to replace that other sound. Because we're going to go with Grown Gretel's Puppet Punch. So that's Grown Gretel Sound 3. Open. Play. Got it. Number 2. Okay, well, punch. Now I gotta go and get that going here. That was going to go work. But right before we do that, we gotta to get other stuff going here. So let's see, what is this? Click. That's awesome. This one here, what is this one? What is it? You can go to properties, or I can just go here. What is this? 13. 13. Number 13. Number 13. So we want 13. Yeah. It's basically like a puzzle. Gotta find the stuff. Wait a minute. Oh, shoot. Not Gretel sound real. I need Grown Gretel sound 13. And change that to Robot Punch. That's how we're doing it. It definitely takes a little time to do it, but it's how it goes. You have to just basically build the character like little puzzle pieces, little stacks, on there. Let's see here, 9, 13, 14, 14. What? No, yeah, again. Grown Gretel. Grown Gretel. 14. Grown Gretel. Gotta get him. Know the difference. Okay. 15. Bad guy punch. Bad guy punch. I was right. Full time. Okay. Bad guy punch. 18, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Should we? No. 15. 15. Go. Go. Come on, man. Come on. They're all G's. It's all G's, isn't it? There's this. Go. Okay. So, water tower punch. 16. 16. I'll do 15 minutes left alarm. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yep. All good. 16, please. There you go. Yeah. Not fun to have something stuck in your throat. Seriously, it isn't. Anyway, it's out my throat now. So, yay! 16. Open. Sounds very important. It's number 11, I believe, right? Number 11. If you make a mistake, you just do it again. No. Open. Meteor punch. No, don't show that. That's fine. No. It's Luca. Deviant art, no problem. I want to focus on this. What I need to do is find the other file. There you go. Meteor. What are you? What is that one? 17. Number 17. 17. Go. Half-bearded mustache punch. Half-bearded mustache punch. 19. 19. Number 19. Go. Number 19. Hey. The onion punch. Number 20. Yep, that's how it works. There's a lot of tedium. There's a lot of just doing the same stuff over and over again. Oh, come on, man. 20. What? Alright, number 20 up. How much time we have? Without the time, okay. So that's what we're doing. No, we don't need that. So that's what we're doing. We're basically going to continue putting in the sounds for Grown Gretel, my version of Gretel from Hamster and Gretel, who's all grown up. We're gonna give her do stuff. We're gonna, basically, she's gonna go grow up, and we're gonna have her. Her character will be completed very soon, and I'll post her.